Amaya and you're with Amaya's Charms. Today's video is all about wardrobe organization. I've got a walk-in robe. I'll show you the layout and how I place my clothes inside the wardrobe for me to have easy access, and I'll show you a tour of how the entire wardrobe looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I've organized my wardrobe. So this is my side of the wardrobe, but I can't get the whole wardrobe into one particular frame, so I have to move around my camera to show you the whole thing. So if I give you the view of the entire wardrobe, it's gonna look like this, but I'll show you. So this side, as you can see, the top part is more like hanging space, whereas I've got some drawers over this area. Okay, if I show you from this side onwards, so this is just like a big hanging area, as you can see, where I leave my handbag and my other side bag, and this is like the clothes that I wear it again. So I've got two command hooks here, and if they're not dirty enough to go in the washing machine, or I would use it, or if I had to use it tomorrow or on another day, I would just hang it there and wear it. And this side, I don't have much stuff. So in this tub I have stored my jeans, so just like that. So Konmarie method, folded and vertically stored like a filing system, so that I can see they're all like all of my jeans. So this section, I've got all my dresses here, and with the yellow divider over there, I've divided that side is for the dresses, and these are like blazers, and I've got my thick winter coat here, and this section, there's again the jackets, cardigans, and again a divider is being used there to separate the jumpers from the jackets, and the same way these are like the hanging tops, and that's again I've used a divider just because from that point onwards, that's where we iron for the whole week, and hang it over there, and this side are just my normal tops that I stow. Okay, now moving on to the drawers. The first one, this is where I've stored all my t-shirts. As you can see, this is again being filed using the Konmarie method. It's been filed and stowed vertically, so you can see that at a glance what we've got. And then the next is more like my undies, where all the undergarments are being folded and then stowed, like short socks and the long socks, the beanies, scarves, and all the other things, so they're all being vertically stored. Then the next row is my pajamas for winter, the thick flannelette pajamas. They're all being the entire set is being stacked here and folded together, and here these are like the summer and the like very light pajamas. And this one is all the other scarves, singlets, belts, stockings. They're being stored. As you can see, I've used these scarf boxes. These are from IKEA, but you can use a shoe box just to divide, just to separate your items. So, and this drawer has all my long sleeves tops for like winter, autumn, and this is like active wear, the swimsuit, and all the other active wear stuff. here these are all the other things that I wear inside the house, so they're not the best clothes to go in outside. This is more like pants and shorts. They're being stacked together. And the last one is they're more like jumpers this way, and these are like jumpsuits, which I don't usually often wear, but they're only very limited amount of jumpsuits that I have, so I know where they are, so it's just been stacked on top of each other. So that's my wardrobe. But now you can say, oh, you got a fairly large wardrobe. That's why you can organize this easily. But trust me, we used to live in a 1-bedroom and then moved to a 2-bedroom unit. We both had to share literally like this space of a wardrobe just among 2 of us, so I know how it feels. So at that time I would put all the off-season clothes in a separate bin and then store it somewhere else so that we can make enough space for the season. So that's how. So it is tricky. So most importantly, just don't keep the clothes that you don't use. Here I have stored all my clothes, even for the off season, because I've got all the winter, summer, all the clothes here. But so don't keep anything that if you're not using. That's the key to have an organized, neat wardrobe. Across my wardrobe, this is my husband's side. So as you can see, it's the kind of the same setup: shelves, hanging space, and some drawers. So his organization is a little bit different to my organization because we're 2 different people. So they're a bit not the best way, but it's stuck inside, it's hidden. So it's okay. So, and these are his t-shirts. Likewise, that's his side of the wardrobe. So that's it. That's about the wardrobe. So that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got some tips to organize your own wardrobe. If you like this video, hit the like button. It means a lot to me. Subscribe for more videos. Until next time, see ya.